potato ketchup.
Exactly.
Ah,
Right. So a lot of
interesting.
people don't know that we can make ketchup from sweet potato. Well,
Yes.
these are for people who don't have any space.
And you can see the display.
Lovely,
Very
lovely.
impressive.
Very impressive.
Very impressive.
This is the dragon fruit.
So this is actually the first of its kind in Jamaica and the Caribbean, the first baby brand of color.
Can't hungry Jamaica, you know.
If you want to,
hungry, if you want. You
Ah.
see me make me take me hand on fashion.
My Jamart family, how you do? Ah, fantastic. Man, just as you guessed, I'm at the Denbigh Agricultural Show in Clarendon. And man, I've seen some amazing displays. I managed to speak to a few of the exhibitors in the different pavilions. I'm sorry I wasn't able to talk to everybody, man, but I think I got the essence of it for you. The highlights, I call it. I'm gonna share that with you right now. Just before though, I want to make a special shout out to my Jamart family. Those persons who join me on my calls my premieres every Saturday evening at 6. And those persons have been here with me all along. You know yourselves. I want to say special shout out to you. If you though, for whatever reason, is not yet a part of the family, invite you now to join us. I'm on a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica. The real people of Jamaica, the real culture of Jamaica. Stuff like these, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Denbigh Agricultural Show, the highlights. All right, guys, so I'm in the St. Catherine, beautiful St. Catherine booth. This is Mr.
My name is Brian Samuels, Deputy Parish Manager for RADA, St. Catherine.
Awesome. What would you say is a highlight this year in terms of your display, Mr. Sam?
Well, for this year, we try to target sweet potato.
Yeah.
Right, so sweet potato is a crop that is grown all around the parish and Jamaica but at large. And we just want to show the diversity of the crop and some of the things that we can make from it. So these are some of the byproducts of sweet potato. We have the sweet potato pudding that a lot of people would know.
Yes.
But as it relates to the sweet potato fruit cake, we have that as well. Right, so we have sweet potato pancake mix and the flour.
Lovely.
We also have the festival mix.
Lovely,
And
lovely.
we have the sweet potato dumpling.
Dumpling mix.
Right?
Lovely.
So all of these bottles and packages are byproducts of sweet potato.
And you give them a bonus.
We have the pamphlets,
all
the recipes
and stuff.
and everything.
And you have some food put on already.
No, that is
That's a bonus.
that remains for from lunch.
All right, good. And rolls as well.
Right. So
Rolls as well.
all of these you see here are products of sweet potato.
Lovely, lovely. And these are the potatoes over here, guys. These are the potatoes here. And actually, there's another one here that was brought to my attention earlier. The sweet potato ketchup.
Exactly.
Ah,
Right. So a lot of
interesting.
people don't know that we can make ketchup from sweet potato.
Interesting,
You know?
interesting.
So we just want to highlight and show our patrons here at Denbigh 2023 some of the myriad of products that can be had or made from sweet potato.
And of course, you have the baby
Slips
plants.
in the bags. You see them in the bags?
Yes,
Well,
yes.
these are for people who don't have any space.
Oh!
So as small as a potting bag, you can get your topsoil, or if you have chicken manure, whatever it is, and you can stick a couple slips in it.
And
in a couple of months, you have sweet potato.
So where do you keep? You can keep it like where? The back of your yard?
Wherever the space is.
Oh.
On the patio.
Interesting.
Wherever. Expose it to a bit of light and you give it a bit of moisture. Water it regularly.
Awesome, awesome, guys. They're looking good, man. Look at that. Sweet potato. Oh, and there's more on sweet potato here. When you're talking about sweet potato, these are all the health benefits of sweet potato. Look at that. Digestive health, boost immunity, good for the eyes, fuel the brain, all of that stuff. There's so much here.
All right, so we have bigger containers over there as it relates to the feed bags. Yeah, feed bags. So I showed you a while ago the potting bags, but here we have discarded feed bags.
Oh, okay.
So if you have feed bags, you just pull it with topsoil and you can plant from the top and just punch holes in the side and plant. And in a couple of months, you have sweet potatoes from the bag.
You guys are doing great guns here, man. Sweet potato, what do you call it? Pheromone?
So this is a pheromone trap. One of the main pests of sweet potato is the sweet potato weevil. Now this trap monitors the weevil to show you how high or how low the population of that pest is. Right, so the pheromone attracts the male, and then you would have a soapy liquid at the bottom. I mean, in the in the container, this pheromone would attract them, and they will fall in that and die. Right, so it's a method of control and monitoring as well.
I love you guys bringing the technology into it. Well done. Big up St. Catherine and Mr. Sam, my namesake. All the best.
Thank you.
All right, cool. All right, guys, and this is one more booth where if I ever miss it, I get in trouble. As you said, Mary Booth, the home of my lane, my friend from Yitshar Blends. And this is Mr.
Luke, Delroy Luke, the parish. Delroy Luke, L-U-K-E.
L-U-K?
Yes.
Man, I've L-U-K, your last name Luke?
Yes, man.
Oh, a living person named Luke?
Just as in the Bible. Still exists.
All right, wonderful, wonderful.
Yes,
Thank you for inviting me into your booth.
Yes.
I want to find out, my brother, what is different? What stands out? What is the highlight for Denbigh 2023 for St. Mary right now inside here?
Well, the highlight is generally our exhibitors.
Yeah.
Our exhibitors. We have a lot of exhibitors within the parish who is actually doing well.
Yes.
Right. And as such, our role for this Denbigh is to actually expose them to the wider Jamaica.
Yes.
And also to the international markets.
Awesome.
Right. Here, as you can see, is that we have Wicker lady. It's actually a lady that has actually created these.
Awesome.
From Wicker. She's from Robins Bay.
Oh, awesome. And
Right,
this is that is coconut.
No, these are from some palms, some special type palms that they use to create these types of hats.
Awesome.
Hats, as you can see.
Yeah.
Trays, and you can feel the quality.
Yeah.
Very firm.
Very firm.
Yeah, man. Yes. Yes.
And that's a handbag there.
Yes, handbags, as you can see here. Mats. Mats we have here and above.
Lovely.
Shades.
Lovely. And the agricultural products. I mean, there's so much here, guys.
So much to see.
So much to see.
Over here, we have our goatry, our livestock department, right? And right here is that we have a goatry unit, right? If you just look to your upper left, we have a camera system there.
That technology.
Yes, that camera system can be used for off-site farms, farms that are out in the woods, right? And which can be connected to your phone.
Awesome.
So it is solar powered. Right, so you can use that to actually,
manage your operations
from a distance.
Awesome.
Yes.
It's a use internet, obviously.
Yes, it uses internet service.
Awesome. I see your yam hills here.
Yes, which is the Miniset yam technology.
I heard about that.
Yes, it's something that we are pushing now in St. Mary also. Because what we realize is that you can get higher yields from that same acreage by planting yams, the Miniset method.
Awesome.
So normally you would plant about 2,000 heads per acre. Now the Miniset you can plant about 14,000 heads per acre.
That's like 7 times.
So your yield
7 times.
Yes.
Awesome.
So yes. So
awesome.
So that's what we are pushing also.
I see the marmalade and the jams over here.
Yes.
Are we coming in? We're going in, guys, because there's more stuff here.
Yes, and here is where we have
wines and rums.
Wines and rums. I think you may want to speak to one of our exhibitor here.
Absolutely.
Who actually assists along this line.
What are you saying?
Yes, and you can see the display.
Lovely.
Impressive.
Very impressive.
Very impressive.
So, who is that person?
I don't know which one of them would want to take the stand.
So I know Appleton, I know Appleton rum, I know Trelawny rum. I didn't know about St. Mary rum.
Yes,
But now they St. Mary rum.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Okay, cool.
As the name suggests, Art of Nature. It's on the banner at the back. Yes. Art of Nature.
Awesome.
Yes.
Lovely. All right. Let's hop across here too. The Golo. Guys, this is a familiar face. This is the Irish Mush lady, you remember her? From Yitshar Blends. And this is the boss girl. Boss lady. Cool. What is the highlight for you today, Miss Malay? I'm not easing you up.
Everything is just great being here at Denbigh 2023. Of course, you're in the best pavilion there is, which is the Berry Pavilion.
Yeah.
And of course, we have a wide array of things displayed. And obviously, you're used to Yitshar blends already. And here are products really coming off the shelves. We can't get them on as fast as we can get them off. So come on out, come support us here at Denbigh 2023, where we highlight Jamaican wonderful products.
All right, awesome. I did say, guys, I'm giving her a minute, but I'm gonna give her another minute to just mention the products that you have here.
All right, so we have our herbal tea blends. We have our herbal teas for diabetes. If you're diabetic, we have for prostate and kidney stone, fibroids. We have our colon cleanse. You know that health is very important. The colon is very important. They said death starts at the colon. So we have our colon health. We also have our colon health oil to go with that. We have our constipation relief. If you're constipated, then here's where you go. Of course, the blood cleanse. We have the guinea hen plus 7. We have the big one, which is the male herbal.
This is the one them run down from the video.
Ram goat dash along.
Yeah, guys, link in the description. Not the one that everybody's talking about. Well, certainly the men.
And we also have the high blood pressure. A lot of stuff. This one is a very popular one now as well. For the ladies that have some problems getting pregnant, this is the one that you need to take.
Fantastic, fantastic. All right. Malene from Yitshar Blends at Denbigh 2023, guys. Here is another exhibitor, guys, in St. Mary. They wanted to take over the place, you know.
Yes,
St.
we
Mary.
do.
What do you have?
Welcome to Denbigh 2023. My name is Assaney, proud owner of Assaney Food, all natural products, no artificial flavor, no preservative.
What you say?
Yes, man. We have the Adisa wine for her. And over here we have the Gungu wine for he. It's a combination clash. Yes, over here we have our vinegar. We have a shoe button vinegar, pimento, and gungu. Here we have a jackfruit porridge. We have the pimento wine there. And we have, for the vegan fans who doesn't eat meat, as such, we have the coconut gunday. The coconut gunday is a JCDC 2023. Gold medal awarded in recipe writing. And over there we have next to it is our coconut and nutmeg jam. Yes.
Right.
Over here we had also our coconut hot and spicy jerk sauce, Assaney jerk sauce. And down here we have a variety of jams. We have nutmeg jelly, OTT apple, papaya, drop fruit, what everybody's going crazy for.
The jackfruit
jam, right?
I applaud you guys, ladies, for doing what you're doing with local products. I know you're telling me they're organic. I really appreciate using products because we have a bounty. I think we have excess. We have more than we really need. It's just how we use it. We always have excess. We have seasons. How many times we have them wasted? I see the apples. Apples in the past coming off the tree and falling and just going to waste.
So we utilize all those things. You can't hungry Jamaica, you know.
If you want
hungry,
to.
If you want. Listen me take me Anton fashion. Anything you give me, voila in a food.
Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely guys. That's St. Mary, folks. I think we have one more person from beautiful St. Mary, and this is she. Your name is?
Hi, good evening. My name is Roxanne Harrison. I'm the co-owner of Organik Pickney JA. It's my son's business. That lovely young man.
That's the son's business. Boy, don't go and go and do things, man.
So over here, what we do is we manufacture authentic Jamaican baby food and personal care from local produce. The baby food, it's an Eat Smart, Grow Smart initiative where we want to ensure that as a matter of national food security for the nation's youngest, we want to feed our babies healthy Jamaican food. It's also a matter of food and cultural identity, having our children eating stuff that we actually do grow in Jamaica.
Salute. It's the first time I've ever seen anything done like that, and it's your brainchild.
Yes.
Very well done. Very well done. I see you have some additional stuff here. I have soaps.
Personal care is awesome. It's really necessary for babies for decades. When you speak about baby personal care, the go-to has usually been Johnson & Johnson, Aveeno, etc. So this is actually the first of its kind in Jamaica and the Caribbean, the first baby brand of color, where we manufacture.
Guys, hold on a second. What's your name again?
Roxanne Harrison.
Guys, I want to salute Roxanne again, man. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen anything like this in Jamaica. Give her a like right now. All her offerings are for babies. So she has the baby food, as you can see. But then she got into baby soaps.
And we have baby oils.
Baby oils as well. All inspired. All inspired by you.
My son,
for your baby.
my cauldron.
Your cauldron. Okay,
it's
cool.
Also, a way of inspiring other single moms to actually benefit from their pain and actually be the best parent they can be for their child.
Awesome.
On this side, it's I'm the co-owner of my daughter's business. Her name is Talia Jade, and the company is Talia Jade's Herbal Lozenges and Essentials.
Oh boy.
So here she does a couple of traditional herbal teas, blue vervine, which can be used to relax the nerves, and it's also awesome for mothers who are breastfeeding. It helps to stimulate the production of breast milk. So for mommies who have a challenge where breast milk production is concerned, this is an awesome product for them.
You know, I feel like I have to talk to you guys offline, you know, man. This is interesting. All right, well done. Give her our regards. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you
to you and to the team at the Trelawny RADA. Mr. Luke, very, very well done. Lovely display, man. You guys are going great guns in St. Mary, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much. And you know, this is our role over the years.
Yeah.
To really help to expose entrepreneurs within the parish.
Yes. I love it. I love it. I love the different the stuff that are unique. I see the lady with the baby stuff. I see the guys with the rum. The rum and wine.
Yes.
Guava rum. Jackfruit liqueur and all these stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, man, this is awesome. If there's anybody out there, my brother, who is interested in any of your wines, local, and I remember we have a wide audience who's watching from overseas.
Yeah.
If they're interested in any of your products, your wines, your liqueur, whatever you have here, how can they reach you?
414-3957.
Wonderful. Congrats. Hey, Roxanne, I didn't get your number. If anybody wants to reach you for any of these innovative, very creative stuff that you have for babies, the soaps, the baby organic baby food kind of thing, how can they reach you? Is there a phone number?
Okay, so we can be reached at 530-8964, and we're also on Instagram at Organik Pickney JA, and also on TikTok. So you can reach out on our social media platforms or send us an email at organic, ORGANIK, PJA@gmail.com.
Fantastic. All right, guys. So we are in St. Thomas, the St. Thomas booth. Beautiful display as well. Hydroponics and all kind of stuff. But there's a gentleman representing MakaBEE Enterprises, right?
Yeah.
And what's your name, sir?
I'm Oronde Macnish, founder of MakaBEE Enterprise.
Lovely.
MakaBEE Enterprise is really a family business.
The family business.
Yeah. So I don't even claim it. It's for the
family
next generation, really.
Yes. And I assume this is your son?
Yeah.
Nice. I love it. I love you guys. It's all African looking dress. Is it African or it's African, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. All right, so tell my audience what you have. That I see honey. Seem as if most of your products are honey products. Honey-based products.
Yeah.
So which one of these would you say stand out is your top product right now? Tell the world.
Well, honey is it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We're a family of beekeepers.
Cool.
Right? So once you think about bees,
Yes.
two things come to your mind. Your honey,
Yes.
and the sting of the bees. Right?
Honey and the sting of the bees.
Yes.
Yes.
So because of climate change and because of financial necessity, we find that we cannot just rely on honey production because there are some years when things are so bad that we don't get we get very little honey production.
Yeah.
So we have to find a way that when the production from nature is small, how we can enhance that to still be on top of things.
Yes.
So one of the ways that we do it is by adding value.
Love it.
So for instance, if you have a bottle of honey, you probably can use a bottle of honey to make 3 bottles of honey wine.
Yes.
Not to mention honey vinegar.
Honey vinegar?
Yes.
Ah.
So we have honey vinegar here.
Ah, let's see that. Okay.
This is honey vinegar.
And you use it like the regular vinegar or is it different?
This is not regular, you know, because
yeah.
the honey vinegar, the liquid in honey vinegar is 100% juice from the OTT apple.
Oh.
Right?
Oh, so it's only
so it's not water this, and then we use the honey to ferment it, and we use the natural yeast from the environment to do the fermentation.
Fantastic. I noticed a meal. There's something here I noticed. This is a big deal, guys. Do you recognize what this is? This is the dragon fruit.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah.
You promote that too?
Yes, we a Chinese brethren of mine, I think maybe the past year, has been introducing me to the dragon fruit plant.
Yeah.
And has been encouraging me to kind of take it seriously.
Yeah.
That it has great potential.
Exceptional potential. I can tell you that much. I did a feature on dragon fruit. It's one of the most popular ones.
Okay.
So take him serious.
Yes.
Take him serious. All right. Well, here, man, I appreciate you guys and what you do. You know, help. You know, I mean, you're doing it for your family, but you're doing it for the economy. You're doing it for Jamaica and keeping the culture alive as well. If persons are interested in getting any of your products, because we have been showing them some of them. I see the honey. I see the
dried fruits.
All kind of stuff here.
Yeah.
You have tablets.
Yeah, we have
turmeric tablets. So you doing you have honey, but you add
yes,
value added stuff as well.
Right.
How can they reach you?
Well, our number is 543 2148. So if you count down from 876 54321, you just add 48 to that.
I like it.
All right.
So it's 876, which is Jamaica area code,
right,
and then the rest of it.
Right.
All right. Awesome, man, Mr.
Around the Matnish.
Mr. Matnish and the family from St. Thomas, guys.
So my daughter is.
Oh, daughter is here.
Talk to her.
Just in time. The boss said, I must talk to you. I'll give you 1 minute. The boss was doing great. Your daddy was doing great. He was telling me about the products. I don't know. I think he said most of what the audience wants to hear. He showed us a bit of the products that he has, the product line.
Okay.
Is there anything you want to add? Is there anything that stand out that you want the world to know about,
primarily that we are all beekeepers, and most everything linked back to the bees. So the farming that we do link back to the bees. To plant trees, to feed the bees, and to feed us. The products are linked together by using the 4 main products, which is the honey, the wax, the pollen, and the propolis. We have value-added products from that. You know, so we kind of just, you know, trying to link everything and trying to build up.
Fantastic.
Like that.
Love it, love it, love it. All the best. All right, great. Moving right along, and right now we are in the Trelawny booth, and this is Mr. Taylor, Courtney Taylor. Mr. Taylor from RADA. What stands out? What is a highlight for you this year at Denbigh, sir?
Well, welcome to the booth of Trelawny.
Yes, yes.
Basically, what we are doing here is to showcase some of the things that we are doing here in Trelawny, and as farmers, we just want to show some of the best practices that you can do to improve and increase production and productivity. So in this booth, we have several displays highlighting livestock, some of the best practices in livestock. We have the social service home economics department. Over here we have the adaptable technology. Over here we are farmers are now adopting or embracing Miniset technology.
Miniset, that's new to me.
That's a technology that's used in yam production. They use small bits of yam planting material to reproduce.
So not just the head again?
You can use any part of the yam.
Any part?
By itself.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is what it is like. So you cut it up in small bits.
Oh, this is interesting.
Yes.
This is interesting, guys.
Then it sprouts. This is the final product. Then the mature plant is what it is. Over here, you know that we are.
Hold on, man. Hold on at Trelawny, because Trelawny is known for this yam business here.
Yes, man. We produce more than 70% of the yam in Jamaica.
Big up your St. Bolt, man.
Yes,
them said, and the mulch, I said the grass mulch.
Yes, the grass. Well, what is happening now, we have, you know, that climate change is real.
Yeah.
So we have to be using adaptation strategies.
Yes.
To mitigate against climate change.
Love it.
Using the mulch is a means of conserving moisture.
Love it.
Weed growth.
Love it. All right. So tell me about what else you have here. And
over here is just a display highlighting how we adapt and mitigate against climate change.
Yes.
You know that climate change, we have excess rains, we have soil erosion taking place, and we're just showing some treatments that we can use.
Yeah.
Over here is a pond, and we have to be using strategies now where we can have production right throughout the year.
Yes.
So having an irrigation system with a pond, we harness the water. When time we have drought, then we can feed back the plants from the pond.
But you know, my brother, as you mentioned it, I remember when I was growing up in the country. Big up the Westmoreland, good. My great-grandparents, they used to have they normally have a pond at the what we call the ground, you know.
Well, in the 70s, you know, that Michael Manley, that was one of his vision.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
And I believe if we get back, I really applaud you guys for getting back to that.
We have to go there.
Yes, it makes sense. It just makes sense. Because when the rain falls, we harvest it and best.
Harvest the water.
Yeah.
You can use it back on the
crops. Oh, lovely.
Urban Spice Garden, this is also another section, hydroponics. Other means of production without getting into the soil.
Yes. Oh. So don't have to use soil here now.
No.
This is all water.
Hydroponics, just water.
Oh man, from Trelawny.
Yes, sir.
And I see birds and stuff over there too.
Well, you know that it's another part of agriculture, you know?
Yes.
Ecotourism, and people like to see those things. So we have that to highlight.
All right. Well, big up Mr. What's your name again?
Taylor is in here.
Mr. Taylor, man, and the team from Trelawny, Jamaica.
Yes.
Is there any way people want to reach you? For whatever reason, whether they want information or technical support or want to buy stuff, is there contact?
Well, the parish office is 612-616. My personal COG is 414-5946.
Love it. All the best, man. Good. All right, guys, and we are in the Aviary, and there's a familiar face here. You remember him from the Hague Agricultural Show. What's your name again, my brother?
Andy Yitshar.
What stand out for you here? What is the different? What is unique about this display today?
Well, what stands out for me is to always to see the young kids come in and to be able to teach them about something new.
Yeah,
that's the standout point for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Because for me, all of the animals, them come under one.
Yeah.
They love all of them just the same.
Yeah. What about birds though? What is it with you and birds?
It's not just birds. It's just animal and
animal in general.
I'm just a collector. I don't specialize. I love everything.
Is there any bird that right now that is unique or new that person you think local person need to know about?
I'll to the Princess of Wales. These down here.
Princess of Wales, this one.
Based on my research, there is no one in Jamaica that have ever bred these birds. For how much years they have been here. And I have done that successfully. I have almost 20 babies of those now. Yeah.
And how many bird species? How many species of birds you have here?
Right now? I think about estimate about 20 or more.
20 or more.
Here,
yeah,
I have more.
No, generally from your business.
Overall, I think I have maybe about 40 different species.
40 species.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm intrigued. I'm interested. I'm curious. I'm excited about what you guys do. That's a duck. That's a duck. What is that?
That's a geese.
A geese?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't carry any adult duck, but I have baby ducks in here.
Okay.
Both baby duck, guinea chick, turkey. This is an adult guinea chick as well, and these are babies.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so what I do, I mainly carry these for like the little kids for me. I want to give them a start.
Yeah.
So whenever them come with them little $1,000 and 5 days, I mean, I make them walk out, take out something, whichever them choose. You understand?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. People first are interested in your birds or your offering, whatever you're doing. How can they reach you?
You can reach me at 214-3932 or 402-5955.
All right, guys. And
I'm located in Trelawny as well.
Yeah, man.
Falmouth to be exact.
Falmouth, Trelawny, Jamaica.
Yes.
876-406.
No, 402.
402
5955 or 214-3932.
Well done. Big up, my brother. Hello. All the best. Yes. All right, guys. Running a little bit late, but we managed to reach in time to speak with the folks at St. James Pavilion, and this is Mr.
Elvis Gray.
Elvis Green.
Gray.
Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray. Lovely display. What stands out? What is the highlight for you at Denbigh for St. James this year?
Well, at Denbigh for St. James this year, we are promoting cassava.
Cassava?
Yes.
Why cassava?
Because cassava is a versatile crop. It can be used for many purposes. It can be used in processing. It can be used as raw material. It can be used as feed. It can be used to brood in terms of brooding for red stripe or any other beers.
Oh yes, yes. I remember they said that. I remember. Where is the cassava though? You have it. You have it. Where is it? Over here.
And some plants are outside.
Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. So here's the plant. Here's the cassava.
Yes, they are right there.
Okay. Okay. Cool. All right.
So those are the cassava. Those show the byproducts of the cassava right here. And the raw material. So this would be the raw material, and this would be the byproduct. This is the plant itself.
Yes.
So we show the different stages that it grows through.
Yes.
You
Yes.
have the plants, you have the raw material, and you have the byproducts of it.
Yes.
These are also some of the byproducts. You have the cassava flour. So that is one of them.
And you use it just like any other flour?
Yes, you use it just like any other flour. So we are featuring cassava this year as one of our primary. And eat what we grow and grow what we eat.
Yes.
Is our national campaign.
Yes, yes,
yes. And we are looking at cassava because cassava is climate smart as well. And we tolerate drought, vegetation, and drought conditions.
Oh, cool, cool, cool.
We are getting less rainfall these days.
Yes, climate change.
We have to improve on our cultivations and the types of cultivation we have.
Fantastic. Now, question, is this just one type? I know you have different varieties.
Different varieties of cassava, So you have two types. You have the bitter and you have the sweet.
So this is what, the bitter?
The sweet.
It's all sweet?
Yes, it's all sweet.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Well, congrats, man, and all the best in what you do. I see you have more stuff here, guys. We're not able to highlight everything.
These are all byproducts of natural grown produce in Jamaica.
All natural. I see castor oil, I see Java plum, I see lemongrass
powder and all of those.
Lemongrass water.
Yes, lemongrass water. That's another flavored water we have, and we have another flavored water here as well. So we have sorrel as well, which is another flavored water. So we try to push healthy living.
Yeah, man, and I see old grandma original hot chocolate here.
Yes.
Cool.
So push healthy living and
lovely.
Our citizens, we have natural soaps and all those things.
Lovely. Well done and all the best with what you guys do. If there's anybody who is interested in reaching out to you guys for any, whether it's technical advice or for, I don't know, plants or information or products or so, is there a way they can reach you?
Yes, they can call us at 952-1876.
Awesome.
The Catching All office.
All right, good. All right, guys, and I ran into a patron here. This is a gentleman with a baby on his back. How is it going?
Good so far.
Oh, your first time here?
No, I used to come here as a kid, you know.
Oh, so it's your first time as an adult?
Yeah, because I've lived in New York for the last 20-something years. So.
Oh, what? You're a foreigner, man. Well, welcome back home. Welcome home.
Yeah, so I give the Yankee kids them.
Oh, these are Yankee kids?
Yeah.
All of these? Oh, well, that's nice. That's nice. So it's good so far. What is the highlight so far for you? What would you say stood out for you so far? What did you notice?
Well, I like how the agriculture thing is still important.
Alive and stuff. Yes, and I see you guys having food so far. How's the food? You have food already?
Yeah, well, I'm not a meat eater, so like this now, this is my thing, you know?
Okay, lovely. Enjoy the rest of it.
Okay, all right.
That's it, my friend. Highlights of the Denbigh Agricultural Show. What stood out? What jumped out at you? Come and talk to me. Share it in the comments. There's another video that I did about the Mumpele Agricultural Show. I think you'll find it interesting. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.